Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I created these press-on nails here. This set is called Moxie Gal. I have listed everything I use in the description box below. This is mainly a watch me work kind of video. I won't be talking too much so you can watch what I'm doing here. So basically I'm starting off with my long ballerina tips from BT Art box, and I'm applying this Beetles gel polish, and this is a nice light pink color. And I'm just going to polish mainly 3 of the tips here. And I have already applied my base coats, and I did use iGel Beauty base gel. So when I'm all done with that, I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 1 minute. And after that, I'm going to apply one more coat, cure it in the lamp for another minute, and then you're done with the second coat. Next, I'm going to use some Macart foil glue, and I'm going to apply it on the 2 nails that I did not apply the first gel color. And I'm going to cure that for 2 minutes inside my lamp. And I'm going to use these Pearl Glitter Shop transfer foils. I'm going to use this beautiful snake skin. It's not really beautiful. And I'm going to cut off 2 little pieces, not too big and not too short where it can't fit over the nail. And then I'm just going to apply it over the 2 nails where I applied the nail art foil gel. I'm going to use this nice little silicone presser and just swipe over the foil gel. And it's okay if it's not fully covered once you take off the nail. I actually like to try and swipe this on for like a full minute before I like to take the foil off, because sometimes there are a little bit of, not a lot of coverage for some of the little spots, so I do like to go over that and just dab over it, and then it'll be a fully covered nail tip. So here I'm doing the second nail, and as you can see, the first nail tip did come out pretty well, and it is fully covered. And I'm sorry if I'm out of frame here. I was trying to get the right angle so I can be on camera, but so I can also get this nail fully covered as well. now I'm doing that little dabbing method to where the foil didn't really stick, and now it's all covered. And then I'm going to take some gold nail tape and place it over the 3 nails I did not apply the foils. And I'm going to place 2 little thin stripes on the tips of the nails. And I thought this would add a little bit of flavor to it because I wasn't really sure where I was going with this design. So I'm like, maybe I'll just do this and a little bit of that, and it would come out, you know, cute, but also a little sexy, but still cute as well, you know. So don't do it how I'm doing it right now. Cut off your strips first instead of, you know, trying to apply the tape and then cut the strip. You know, it's just a lot easier when you cut your strip and then apply it on your nail. You see, I was struggling a little bit right here. But as you can see, it's going on pretty fine. And then you want to go in with your cuticle scissors and cut right where the nail ends so you can get a crisp, clean look so the tape doesn't start coming up. And you guys, the reason why I'm not wearing gloves here in this video is because I'm only creating these tips just for me. I am not creating this for a client. So these were, you know, mainly just for a personal set. And this is how everything has come out. I'm going to apply a top coat, and that is basically it. If you have any questions or comments, concerns, please leave it in the comment section below. Please leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.